Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see Thumbnail.ai. Using this platform, you can create outstanding thumbnail for your YouTube, Facebook, Instagram or other social media. How to create, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply first of all, open here Google and just put it here Thumbnail.ai. I already added this link in video description. Look at this here Thumbnail.ai, make thumbnail for YouTube and etc. Free thumbnails maker, creating awesome thumbnails to YouTube, Twitter, Facebook and more. We can click here simply. So look at this is a platform. Using this platform you can create outstanding thumbnails. Look at this here, add your title, pick your templates and download it. It's easy. Before start anything, we need to set up here first of all. So I just simply set up here a Research Rock, add here email address, password and get start. After finish the creating the account, here is my Research Rocks account and we can start here. First of all, generate as a template. We need to add here one of your title name into your video title. So I just simply add here video title. Setup, and you have any of the image as an optional image. I already create one optional image like this and we can add here the title name. So just simply I select this image, add additional tag. Okay, generate as a thumbnail idea. So this is a generate as a thumbnail idea, but if you can reduce the size also like this. You can enter here like this and you can increase the size also, but before increase you select and then add like this. So this is the size of the word. You can change here some of the word size like this, change the color of this particular word. So which word attractively you are considering like this. Here edit related information, photos, if you want add some of the photos again here, set as a picture and some of the themes. So you can select any of the themes and then add the thumbnails also like this, this. Okay, this one is quite interesting. So which theme you like, accordingly decide, go with this theme like this. This one is attractive compared to other. You can increase the size, decrease the size little bit. Okay, then again go back here thumbnail. First of all select, go back here color and you can decide which color attractively you like accordingly. So I like this color, so accordingly set up open to work with LinkedIn account. And here some of the options are also available. If you use this one, so you can use like this, you can use this image. So the hand, the simply some of the other options are available, some other PNG images also available. Background is not available on this particular image, so you can use this image. You can select and delete other contents also like this, select and delete here. So you can decrease the size accordingly how you look like this. Look at this, it's really interesting. Some of the images also available, not more than that, but yeah, some basic images are available here. Some other thumbnails are available here, resolution and all. You can do this one. So which thumbnail you are like, accordingly you decide, go with this particular thumbnail. If you like this final outcome, so after that you just simply download here. After download, we can see here this is thumbnail and no pixel are damaged after using this thumbnail. It's easy to make YouTube thumbnail and put it this thumbnails a specific video. So it's very simple. After that, some of your all thumbnails are stored on your account. So create account, make your thumbnails and save and use. Any of the time you just simply replace the image and title and your thumbnail is ready here. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.